Welcome to Byte Further. In today's video, you'll learn what to do when your iPhone 15 won't factory reset. There you are, about to do a factory reset before selling, trading in, giving away, or troubleshooting an iPhone 15. You followed the instructions correctly, but the device won't factory reset. It pops up an error alert, fails to process the erase, or just goes back to the home screen by itself and does nothing. Your frustration kicks in, wondering why. When you can't reset iPhone 15 to factory settings, the issue usually boils down to several factors. It includes weak network signals, an overloaded operating system, obsolete iOS, memory space shortage, hiccups from the server, and so on. The good news is that a list of quick and easy ways will be given here to help you address the issues so that you can perform a factory reset on an iPhone 15 without a hitch. It's advisable to make a new backup of your iPhone 15 data and files first if you plan to restore them after the reset. Don't forget to give this video a like or a super thanks if you think this video is good and helps. Now, let's start. Step 1. Shut down iPhone 15 then power it on. Restart sounds old school, but it often works. To reboot your iPhone 15 that won't reset, press and hold both the volume up button and side button on the right. When invited to the power off slider, let go of both buttons and drag the slider to turn off your phone. After around a minute, press and hold the side button again. When an Apple logo appears, let go of the side button and wait for iPhone 15 to start up. Next, go to the Settings app and tap the Erase All Content and Settings to test if your iPhone 15 can reset to factory settings properly this time. Step 2. Force restart your iPhone 15 if it's unresponsive. Sometimes, your device is trying to erase but after waiting for a long time, it's still not progressing the reset, which seems like it's stuck. In this scenario, attempt a force restart. Applying this trick to fix iPhone 15 not setting won't result in any data loss. Here's the tutorial to do that. Press and immediately release the volume up key, then the volume down key. Soon, press the side key and keep holding it for 10 to 20 seconds. When the Apple logo symbol lights up, let go of the side key. After your iPhone 15 fully boots up, check if the factory reset process moves on smoothly now. Step 3. Make sure iPhone 15 is charged and connected to Wi-Fi. Low battery or poor network can hinder your iPhone 15 from starting the erase or completing the long reset procedure. Therefore, it's crucial to confirm that the device is fully charged or plugged in when resetting. Also, keep it connected to a Wi-Fi network with strong signals to complete necessary tasks such as Apple ID credentials verification with servers and doing iCloud backups. Once you've taken care of them, go to do a factory reset again and your iPhone 15 should reset back to the hello screen. Step 4. Upgrade the iOS first. Updating your iPhone 15's operating system to the latest version is essential for ensuring optimal performance. Running an outdated OS can sometimes interfere with the phone's normal functioning and lead to unexpected problems like that iPhone 15 will not restore to factory settings. To rule out this possibility, try the steps below to check the recent iOS update. Open the Settings app. Tap on General. In the next page, choose Software Update. If it displays a new version of iOS available to download and install, just follow the on-screen prompts to continue. Remember to test if your iPhone 15 allows you to reset it to factory defaults after the software update. Step 5. Turn off Find My. You can't factory reset iPhone 15 because there is an activation lock? Don't worry. It's an extra layer of security to your phone and can be removed easily. Here's how. Tap to open the Settings app on your iPhone. At the top of the page, tap your device name. Next, find and select Find My. Tap Find My iPhone, and switch off its toggle. When prompted, enter the Apple ID password to confirm. Alright then, try to factory reset your iPhone 15 again to see if it works now. Step 6. Use a computer to factory reset iPhone 15. If your iPhone 15 still won't let you factory reset in the Settings app, attempt to restore the phone using a computer. The quickest way is to directly attach the phone to a computer. Open the latest version of iTunes, Apple Devices app or Finder. Click the Restore iPhone button, and then follow the prompts to restore iPhone 15 to factory settings. If your device is unresponsive and can't be detected by the program at its normal state, put it into recovery mode and then do a restore. Here's how to do it. Connect your iPhone 15 to the computer. Launch iTunes, Apple Devices app, or Finder if you're using a Mac with Mac OS Catalina and later. Press and immediately release the volume up key, then the volume down key. Soon, press the side key and keep holding it for 10 to 20 seconds until the recovery mode screen appears. Go to iTunes, Apple Devices app or Finder. You'll see an option to restore your device. Click it, then follow the prompts to restore your iPhone 15 to its factory settings. The restore process may require 1 hour to finish, depending on the internet speed. So, please wait patiently until your iPhone 15 resets to the hello screen. Step 7. Log into iCloud.com to reset your iPhone 15. iCloud allows users to remotely erase a device as long as it's signed in with the same iCloud account and enabled Find My feature. If you meet the requirements, follow these instructions to wipe clean your iPhone 15. Open any browser and visit iCloud.com. Enter the Apple ID and password linked to your iPhone 15, and enter the two-factor verification code if required. After entering the iCloud page, click the green Find iPhone option. Next, select the name of your iPhone 15 that isn't factory resetting. Then, click the Erase iPhone option, and choose Erase again to initiate the process. You can track the erase procedure from the progress bar displaying on your iPhone 15. When it comes to the end, your iPhone 15 will come to life and show the hello screen. Step 8. Seek official support. Why not just ask the support team online or head to the authorized service center for further assistance? They can guide you through the process to factory reset an iPhone 15 and offer valuable insights. Even better, they may recommend additional steps tailored to your specific situation. That's all for what to do when you can't factory reset an iPhone 15, iPhone 15 Plus, iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro Max. If you find this video helpful, please buy a super thanks for this video and give this video a like. Your support means a lot to us to deliver more useful videos to help those in need. Also, if you have any further questions, feel free to write them down in the comments below and I'll reply ASAP. To learn more tech tips about iPhones, subscribe to the Byte Further channel. Now, you can click another video on the screen to keep watching.